In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make at least $50 or more on a weekly basis, on a daily basis, or even monthly basis, just by using AliExpress and Pinterest. Using AliExpress and Pinterest to earn massively. Say in today's tutorial, so it promises to be so massive, because in my last video, when I talked about ChatGPT, I promised to share this amazing video to you, my guys, my friends, my fans out there. So feel free, if you want to make money online this 2025, feel free to subscribe to this my channel. Subscribe to my channel, because it promises to be amazing. I'm going to show you ways, be bringing to you ways you can earn, from the comfort of your home. Even if you're a stay-at-home mom, if you don't have anything you are doing but you want to earn massively this year, so this video is for you. So feel free to stay through this video to the end, so that you will not miss any information at all. So let us dive in on today's tutorial. This is AliExpress, so it's already downloaded on my phone. So let's go. Okay. Okay. So for the sake of this video, let us use let's go to the categories of products they have here, because they have a lot of products. Let's check out the categories and know the one we choose for today's tutorial. It's opening, guys. Remember to stay to the end so that you will not miss any information at all. Okay. I love this hair. Let's check out this hair. Bra band. They have varieties of products, electronics, phones, anything you can think, household utensils, household properties, anything you can think of. So okay, look at these products. Look at this wig. The hair is so nice. So let's say I want to make money on this hair. Okay, look at, you see, so that's nice. Okay, look at where they have it on gallery. You see the wig. So let us save it. Let us save this by pressing this. Okay, allow. Saved. This picture has been saved to my gallery. You check out this one as well. You save like 5 or 6 pictures. You see this one also. You can look at another design, any style you want to look at. Let me save this. These are people that have patronized these people, sending their pictures. So let's go to the original one they use. So because of this, I'm going to screenshots these ones. Look at the first picture. I think is this. I'm going to screenshot it as well. Okay, guys, I'm okay here. I'm okay here. So let's go. Let's share this. Let me copy the link of these products. And let me still share it on my WhatsApp. Let me go and save it on my WhatsApp, because we are going to make use of it. My WhatsApp business. Okay, let me save it here, my own folder. Yeah. I just found this on AliExpress. 1,900, 1,908, 198,944.39. Umbra blonde short bob 4x4 glueless human hair wigs, 13x4 transparent lace frontal wig, brown loose deep wave bob for women. So look at the link also. So let's go back. Let's go back to AliExpress. And remember, I'll be dropping the link for you to sign in as AliExpress affiliate, because before you share their products, you're going to be their affiliate. So I'll be dropping the links on my description bio, so feel free to check it out. So since we've actually saved the hair we want to share, so let us go over to, we've saved everything we need there, so let us go over to Pinterest. So remember, you're going to be AliExpress affiliates first before you can share their products, so that you receive your own commission. Promises to be huge. So check out, if you sell more than 10 hairs a week, you know how much you'll be earning. So you can earn up to 10%. So that's how massive in each product. So if you sell 2, you check out what you are earning. You calculate it for yourself, do the math. So this is my Pinterest. My email. I don't know, don't understand. Let me go back to the Pinterest app. Okay, this is my Pinterest. It's loading, guys. I don't know why it's delaying. I think I don't want this video to be too long, guys, so I'm going to post another. Okay, it's opening. Okay, this is Pinterest interface. Let us go and pin. Look at pin the images we saved. Remember, Pinterest is a very large app, especially for people in the US. In different countries are you coming in. Pinterest is also a search engine. So let us, okay, this is the first image. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next. So a lot of people come here to search for different products. So this is how you'll be doing it. Once you register as an AliExpress affiliate, take as much products as possible, like 5 products in a day. Come over here and post it, So let us use media. Let us add sand. I want to add sand. Media. I'm not seeing where. Let me cancel first. This is in media. Okay. The time frame has passed, so that is why if I want to use any sand from Pinterest, maybe that would be maybe a 2 or 2 second video. So I think this one is lengthy a little bit. So okay, done. So you see, so these are the pictures showing anybody that next. This is where you add the title. So this is where the description, the link. So I think I've copied the share link that time. Yes, it's still here. Okay, so from here now I'm going to delete. I just found this on AliExpress. This is the amount, 198,944. So that's so you're going to delete this. Start from here. You delete, yes. So let's go. Umbra blonde short bow 4x4 glueless human hair wigs. I think we are going to stop this day. The title. Let me copy it. So you add it here as the title. Okay. So you now come over here, copy this link. That is where you need to copy from AliExpress, hold it so that it will be easy for you. So let us paste the link here. Make sure your link is valid. Okay, this is not my link. I didn't copy it well. Look at my link here. Let me copy. Add. Okay, it's added. So I think I will delete this. So that is how you set it. Pick a board. So I've already have a board. You can where you want to. So these are my bond. If you want to create a new bond, where you post different items. So look at human hair. I've already have a board on human. So if you want to create new one, just click on this create board. You use any name to create that board, and you remember to post those the particular products on that board. So this is human hair. So let me use human hair. Let me post it there. Yes, human hair. That's the board. Okay, publish now. Great. You see, do this up to 10 times a day. Do this up to 5 times a day. From AliExpress, just come, post it. Be consistent. It's not when you post a day, you now come back and say, no, nobody buy. No. Consistency is the game in this business. Consistency. Post it in your social media. Post the links. Post, you can copy the link from here, post it in your Facebook, and the video will play there. So the pictures you copied will play in any social media you post it. So that is how you can make money with AliExpress using Pinterest. So that's, without much ado, guys, I know you've learned, and in this 2025 you will not relent in making money. So feel free to subscribe to my channel if you are still new, and feel free to comment, share for people to see these amazing opportunities that I'm bringing to this channel. So thank you very much for your time. So, and see you on my next video about how to make money online, because it's so massive. So if you want to follow me and do this is side hustles that you can earn 6 figures, 7 figures on. So feel free to join me and follow me step by step, replicate what I'm doing, and thank me later. So feel free to comment, to respond, to leave your questions, because I will be there to answer you. So see you on my next video. Bye for now.